Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now.
Hi! Hello everyone! Hello guys! Kasama ko sila ulit ngayon, and si and si Lynn and si Tiger is over there and there and there and somewhere there and somewhere there, everywhere. Galing kami guys sa ulo ko sa nasa girdo ko. Si Gates kami ngayon, kasama ko si Chitaber na may sariling hondo. Nandun nagalakad. Hi guys, I'm full. I'm full. Ayan guys, the weather here is very mahangin. Pati tao mahangin. Pati may-ari ng vlogs is mahangin. Ayan na sisi yung cable car, oh? Oo. Yeah, the cable car is there, over there. Hanapin nyo na lang guys. Kayo na bahala mag-adjust. Kayo na mag-zoom. Kayo na. Ay! Guys, the power bank is dropping the floor. Mahal yan, Day, ha? Mahal yan. 20 yan. Betsy, ay, ang ganda. Tapusin na natin. Hello guys, gandahan daw namin maglakad. Close kami dalawa. Man siya guys, guys, hindi kami talaga nag-aaway. Dalawa, close kami. Pero inaaway niya ako guys. Mute mo to, mute mo to. Hindi ko yan i-mute. Ayan guys, and they, nandun na sila, oh. Guys, hindi daw kami mag-away, pero tingnan mo yung akbay niya, para na akong sakal. Yan, over here and here, and kailangan matapos ang vlogging na to kasi dito tayo siralo ng puno kasi maganda yung view ba? Oh, dumilim na guys, ayan ang katotohanan, madilim talaga. Oh, yeah. Hello guys, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for more updates. Video pa lang to. Naka-intro ko lang eh. Don't forget to subscribe. Hindi ako nagsabi, ikaw nagsabi mo. And guys, my hair color now is new or is changing. Changing already. And look at the one. And ayun, kanina na sila Relly na sa vlog. And hi. Ang lalaki oh. Say hi to my channel guys. And Lynn is there.
We have a lot of photos.
Hi, Bibilen! There's over there and over there. Sa puno ng ilalim ng tulay, guys. And meron kami kasamang ano ang tawag doon? Asondera. Oh, say hi to my vlog. Hi! Wow, sige, tingnan ko lang. Bakit ba? Yan, nagka-check-sock daw sila. Say hi.
Hi, this is Baby Tiger Vlog. Welcome to Amla's channel.
Okay, so here. Why? Bibilan! Ito yung ano. Yeah,
saya. Tunay na kaibigan, di kita iiwanan. Kasama ka, buti-mot ko lang. Tunay na kaibigan.
Yan yung mga nagagawa namin sa boring.
For today's video is, as you can see and as you can read, Carrot is here. Gene
Ba't
is
gana?
here.
Ano ibig sabihin ng gana?
Gane is here. Ni Bikini is here. Musog labas.
Ben!
Musog labas. And of course, the Pampangenya is here.
Yan, ganyan ka bibilin, di nakikita dyan mo.
Mekene, mga damo. Ayan guys, holiday na naman namin. It's Wednesday, but it's our holiday. It's Festival. So, wala kaming madapuan. Kasang
Sisi Flora, dito ka? Halika dito.
kami sa lansak.
Ay, sarili niya po ito. Tama yan, Sisi. Nakamask ako guys kasi medyo naglalang muna natin. Hindi naman dagdagan.
Ayan guys, I would like to shout out kay President A-Team.
18 or 18?
A-Team. That means Aita. Carrot is here.
Are you done? Are you done, Baby Tiger Vlog?
I am done. Babush.
Next, kita.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. This is Chika Bird TV again. Today is Miyerkules. Ano to
Vlog mo?
guys? Yes, that's my vlog. Ako nagsasalita. It's my vlog. Yun lang guys.
Oh my God.
Kasi sato-sato.
Shout out sa
Sabi, Besh. Shout out.
shout out sa Aita natin.
Shout out daw kay Batik.
Shout out daw kay Batek. Shout out also, Batek.
Shout out Batik.
Sobrang happy ni Batik.
And my turn. This is Unloves TV.
Your turn. Turn.
My turn. Between two lovers. Ayun, bigla shout out sa two lovers na doon. Oy, charot lang yun ha.
Ganda. Turn
Ayan guys,
between two lovers.
this is Unloves TV. As you can see. Ayun, wala na akong isi-shout out guys. Kasi tawag ko. Basta shout out sa inyong lahat. Shout out sa mga followers. Ay, followers. Subscribers pala yun. Ayun. And tahimik kami ngayong apat. Anima pala kami guys. Nandun pala si Flor.
Hindi na magsangit mo ni Pro.
Ay, si Flor!
May sariling
It's your turn.
It's your turn.
Hello guys! Shout dyan sa mga loved ones ko, mga
Mas palala yun.